Welcome to our video tutorial about navigating the Trent University Academic Calendar. All the answers to questions you may have about degree and program requirements, as well as regulations and policies, are found in the academic calendar. It's important that you take the time to explore this document, as you are ultimately responsible for ensuring that you meet your degree requirements. Don't worry, academic advisors are here to help you navigate this document, but you should download a copy and keep it somewhere that is easily accessible for quick reference. To access the academic calendar, you will begin on the Trent University homepage. Click on the menu on the left and then find Academics. You can now see the academic calendar in the drop-down menu. You'll be brought to a web page that displays both the undergraduate and graduate calendars. I will select the undergraduate calendar. The most recent edition of the calendar is found on the top of the page. As you can see, clicking the link will open a PDF document of the current academic calendar. We will be reviewing a few key sections of the academic calendar in this video. However, there is much more available to be explored on your own. I will begin on the table of contents by finding the first key section I would like to outline. By clicking on the page number on the right-hand side, you will be brought directly to your desired page. We are going to begin on the first page. On page 1 of the calendar, you'll find a brief introduction to Trent University. Next, I'd like to highlight the important dates section of the calendar. This section of the calendar is where you will find all the important dates that you need to be aware of for the upcoming academic year. For example, dates are listed for reading weeks, fee deadlines, adding and dropping courses, and statutory holidays for the summer, fall, and winter semesters. It's important to familiarize yourself with these dates and know where to find them should you forget. Another important section of the academic calendar is the degree requirements section. Students must satisfy both university degree requirements as well as program requirements. Some examples of these include a maximum of 7 credits at the 1000 level, a certain number of courses at the 3000 and 4000 level, depending on the program in which you're enrolled, and beginning in fall 2018, all incoming Trent students require a minimum of 1/2 credit in Indigenous Studies from an approved listing of courses. You can find this list of approved courses by scrolling further into this section. You will spend most of your time in the calendar exploring your academic program. For this video, I've selected sociology as an example. The first page introduces the discipline and the faculty members, as well as some notes to consider and review. We can also view the credits required to graduate with certain degrees. For example, I've highlighted the single major honors program. To graduate with this degree, 10 of the 20 credits I take need to consist of these courses highlighted. Scrolling further through this section, you will find specializations and course options. Please note that not all of these courses may be offered every year, and it's important to consult the academic timetable to confirm which courses are offered each year and when they'll be scheduled. Reviewing your academic program in the academic calendar is an essential step in the course registration process. For more information for degree and program-related questions, you can visit the Trent Academic Advising website and watch our tutorials on course registration. The links to these videos are also available below in the description box. Another important section of the academic calendar is the academic status section that can be found under Policies and Administration in the table of contents. This section provides information pertaining to academic standing. Please note that there are 5 categories of academic standing at Trent University. Further in this section, you can find a subsection of academic distinctions. This provides more information pertaining to academic standing, and of particular importance are the Dean's Honor Roll and President's Honor Roll sections. We can also find the Academic Integrity section in the academic calendar. As stated in the calendar, academic integrity is defined by the basic principles of honesty, trust, fairness, respect, and responsibility. It is expected that these values will be upheld by all members of the university community. Under this section, you will find information on academic dishonesty, plagiarism, cheating, penalties, and much more. It's extremely important that you understand the information contained in this section. An additional section of the calendar to review is that on fees. This includes information on student financial responsibilities, payment methods, late payments, and ancillary fees. It's important to review this section to ensure that you're aware of which fees you need to pay and how you can pay them. Please note that the fee deadlines can be found in the Important Dates section discussed earlier in the video. Information about financial aid can also be found through the table of contents. Some key information to pay attention to in this section are the subsections concerning scholarships and bursaries. Trent offers many scholarships and bursaries, so we encourage you to check this section out. Lastly, I'd like to highlight the section on special programs and opportunities. There are a number of emphases that you can explore. For example, the emphasis in law and policy can be found in this section of the calendar. In addition, Trent offers many postgraduate opportunities, and you can find information on those certificates under the Programs and Opportunities section of the calendar. This concludes our video about navigating the academic calendar. Please take the time to review this important document and feel free to bring any questions to an academic advisor for clarification. Make sure to also visit trentu.ca/advising for more information and watch our additional video tutorials on navigating your MyTrent portal, booking an academic advising appointment, and walking you through the course registration process.